Are you trying to decide if TMFC, the Motley Fool's ETF, could transform your portfolio, or if it's just another overhyped investment? Stick around, because today on Opportunity Odyssey, we're breaking down everything you need to know in under 5 minutes. And trust me, the risks might surprise you. Let's start with why TMFC stands out. Imagine having access to the Motley Fool's top stock picks, all bundled into one easy-to-manage fund. Sounds like a game changer, right? But what's the catch? Don't go anywhere. We'll cover both the pros and the risks ahead. TMFC is an actively managed ETF built to mirror the Motley Fool's investment philosophy. Instead of passively tracking an index, its managers hand-pick a concentrated portfolio of high-growth companies. Sounds bold? Let's dig deeper. The secret sauce behind TMFC is its active management. Its team of experts identifies companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. The result? A high-conviction portfolio heavily weighted in technology, healthcare, and consumer-driven sectors. TMFC's top holdings include heavy hitters like Tesla, Amazon, and Nvidia, companies leading the charge in innovation and growth. But does concentrating on a few big names make TMFC risky? We'll answer that in just a moment. For young investors, TMFC offers two big advantages: expert stock selection and exposure to high-growth companies. It's perfect for those who want to simplify their investing strategy while aiming for above-average returns. Before you hit that buy button, it's crucial to understand TMFC's potential downsides. In just 30 seconds, we'll uncover its biggest risks and why this fund isn't for everyone. Let's talk about the risks. TMFC's active management and focus on a few high-growth stocks mean it's more volatile than broader ETFs. Plus, with an expense ratio of 0.85%, it's pricier than funds like SPY or QQQ. This is a fund for investors who can stomach a little turbulence. So, how does TMFC stack up? Compared to ETFs like SPY, which tracks the broader market, TMFC aims for concentrated high-growth opportunities. But remember, greater potential often comes with greater risk. Ultimately, TMFC could be a solid choice if you're a long-term investor who's comfortable with higher risks and fees. It's all about aligning your investments with your goals and your risk tolerance. To recap, TMFC offers unique exposure to Motley Fool's top picks, strong growth potential, but comes with higher fees and risks. Still on the fence? Let's hear from you in the comments. What's your take on TMFC? Thanks for tuning in to Opportunity Odyssey. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more no-nonsense investing insights. Let's build your financial future together. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Do your research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.